Morning, everyone. This is the Project 9 Light Sensitive LED. Next slide. Group name, Quadratic Bomb. And group members, Abogado John Paul, Baskugin, James Robert, and Sultan Adrian. Next slide. This is the light sensitive LED diagram. This is the example picture. Next slide. This is a list of materials. Jumper cables, resistor 220, 5 LED, resistor 10K, ambient light sensor. Next slide. This is a source code for Project 9. Please explain, Abogado.
So to the Project 9 light lamp is int LED for number 13 for defining the digital pin val. 0 define the voltage value of the potted tube in the digital pin 0. Void setup. So to the void setup, we pin mode the LED in output to configure the LED as a output mode. Serial begin or to configure the baud rate of 96. Void loop. So to the void loop, we put the val is equal to analog read to read the voltage value ranging from 0 to 1023 serial that print line the val to read the voltage value from the serial monitor. If val is less than 1000, lower than 1000 will turn off the LED light. Then else if otherwise if it turned LED digital right to LED high, then we have delay for 10 ms. And that's for the project 9. Next slide. So here we are the sample of our how we manipulate the project 9. And that's the result. As you can see, if he do the motor will do. Then next slide. So we
And reference and credits beginner kit for Arduino tutorial, JMP, snipping tool, CapCut, AMD software. That's all. Thank you.